In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Deliveroo account in the UK. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm gonna be showing you this process over at the website writers.deliveroo.co.uk. As you can see over here on this page, you will have the latest news and frequently asked questions to create an account and become a driver in Deliveroo. As you can see, all you have to do is select Apply to be a driver at the top or simply click Apply Now at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Apply Now again after you read through all the requirements and the benefits that you will get from becoming a Deliveroo driver. And once you select Apply Now, they will ask you some questions regarding on why you want to be a driver for Deliveroo and also what documents you need to present. So go ahead, answer the questions or the steps, select the city you would like to work in, and finally, you will be able to include your personal information, including name, email address, and your phone number, and lastly, the vehicle type. On the fifth and last step, you will have to include personal documents in order to properly become a rider for Deliveroo. If they approve of the credentials you present, you will be able to start working after applying. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a Deliveroo account in the UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.